Hi, boys and girls. This is going to be your math today. What I want you to do is I want you to do 2 pages in this math packet, and that's it. So there's a whole bunch of pages left. We didn't get to all of them when I was putting this packet together. I just gave you a whole bunch of things that I thought looked like fun, but I didn't know how much time we would have. So what I thought, I'll go over the rest of the packet and you guys get to choose. And if you want to finish this up on vacation or any other time for homework or just for fun, feel free to do that. You can put the pictures on Seesaw if you want to, but you don't have to, okay? So it'll be optional. It'll be kind of like extra credit. So what I'll do is go over the rest of the packet really, really quickly, and then I'll let you guys decide which 2 pages look like fun to you. All right, so I think this is a really good one. The next 4 pages are teen numbers, and we've been working on teen numbers, so these would be great, all right? Okay, on this one here, the addition, okay, you've got a 10 frame all filled up. Sorry, I gotta look for my pencil, there it is. This 10 frame is all filled up, and then we're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Whoops, sorry about that. Okay, so you can count if you need to. Start at the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So tell you what, this is optional also. You can write the number 14. I've got 10 plus 4 more. This is a great review for the packet we just did, the chapter 7. And if you want to, you can cut and paste. You can take a scissors, cut all of those numbers out, and glue the 14 in here. I think I'll do that, but I will do it later when we're done, so you don't have to watch me. You guys know how to do that, right? Get your scissors, cut those out. You got your glue. All right, let's do this one. We've got 10. Oh, wow, this is a big number, I can tell. This 10 frame's almost filled up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in there. So 10 and 9 more. Some of you guys can do that without counting from 1, without starting at 1. So if you need to, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now, I've been listening to kids count all week because I've been testing, and I still have quite a few kids that skip numbers. They skip 12 or 13 or 14, and you got to slow down and touch each one, and don't skip any numbers or the answer won't be right. Now, but I also have some kids who can do this in their head. They just see it. 10 here and 9 here is 19. Here we've got 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. So let's just start at 10. Put that in your head. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here's 16 down here, so I will cut and paste that later. Okay, I think this one's going to be easy. We have 10 and 2 more. 10, 11, 12. Okay, and then our last one, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. If you're doing cut and paste, there's 17, 16, 12, 19, and 14. Okay, now I am not going to go over the directions for this page because it's exactly the same directions as the other one. Okay, so let's give it. Now this is count how many. I love this one. This is the little pots of gold, and they're going to be big numbers. So there are 10 in each of these first pots. You don't even have to count them. I am telling you. Let me put my glasses on now and let's see. I'm going to start at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. In the first pot, there's 10 in every single one. So what you have to do is go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And it says color the correct teen number. So I'm going to color this. And I don't care what color you guys use, but I'm just going to grab one, okay? And I'm going to color this 16 in. And then I'll go back and color the pots of gold in a minute. Ooh, there's 10 here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 more. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then they give you 3 choices. I'm going to use the same color. Now we have 10 here. Oh, that's a lot, isn't it? 10, 11, 12, 13. I tell you what, sometimes it's good to use a pencil and just put a little mark on it so that you don't forget about it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And I'm going to color that. I'm not going to do any more, boys and girls. I think you guys get it. You count it and just color in the answer. And I believe there might be 2 of those. Nope. Okay. Ooh, I love this one. This one's great, okay? This is missing numbers. We should start at 1, and we're going to go all the way to 20. Now, some of the numbers are already there. And then I really do want to cut and paste this one. I think that looks like fun. Let's go ahead and do it. I'm going to take my scissors, go across the bottom, and then I'll cut all these out, and I'm going to fill in the missing numbers, and then I will color it when I'm all done. And remember, you guys get to choose today. You pick out the 2 pages you want to do. And if you don't want to do the rest of them, you don't have to. If you want to do them for fun, for vacation, kind of a little extra credit, so you don't forget about the T numbers before we go back to school, then you're welcome to it. You don't have to return this packet, okay? All right, when we go back to school, I might need a little time, but I will start putting little packets together for you guys, but just for homework. All right, so we start counting with 1. So we're missing a 1, so I got all these mixed up down here. Let me turn it like that so you can see where I put them. There's my 1, and I'm just gonna use a glue stick and glue them right here. Okay, and make sure it's not upside down. The shamrock has to be going in the right order. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll put that one here. And look for your 4. 5. You guys understand. 5. Where's my 5? There we go. Now, if for some reason you get mixed up and you're not sure which number, if you get out your red homework folder, let me see if I have that right here. Right here. If you get out this red homework folder and look in the back, okay, you might have to search for it because it could be in the pocket, but I gave you guys a little homework helper page that has numbers all the way to 100. Oh, is it hiding from me now? It's not hiding, it's stuck to the other page, I think. There it is, I got it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this and put it in the front. Maybe Mom and Dad can help you. There, you've got a number line. I forgot about this number line. There's a whole bunch of times I said I wish we had a number line. Here's a number line, and then here's the numbers, right? So you can always look at that if you're not sure. Okay, let's just finish this one up really quick. Here's my 6. Make sure you don't put that upside down or it's gonna look like a 9. 8, 9, missing that one. I'm gonna keep going. 10, 11. Oh, I see it. I see my 9. It was hiding underneath my 15. 9, 10, and 11. And now the 12 and the 13 and the 14 are there. 15, oh, I like this page, this is fun. 15, 16, and then we've got 17, 18, and 19 are already there. We don't have to do it. And then, whoops, 20 is the last one. Got these mixed up, I wasn't paying attention. Okay, you might want Mom and Dad to check it when you're done to make sure you have them all in the right order. There, now I'm gonna go back and color these cute little shamrocks. All right, okay, so I am done with that page. I put all those numbers in order. I'm gonna real quickly just go over these directions, okay? So here's the missing numbers. So this time they're just not on shamrocks and we're going this way. 12, oh, and they're teen numbers. 12, what comes after 12? 13, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna write them down. I'm gonna put the numbers in there. I'm gonna write them down. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. Now we're starting over again. Now they go back. This is like a whole different one. 14, 15, 16, 17. I guess each one is different. Okay, so each one, you treat each one differently. There's one missing number in each row. 15, 16, 17, 18. This is a little tricky. This one, what comes before 12? 12, 13, 14, but what comes before 12? Maybe you can go backwards. 14, 13, 12, 11. Now, what you can do is you can either write them. If you want to write them, you can, and then you can check these off, or you can cut and paste. Okay, let's see what's next. Ooh, I like this one. You guys remember when we did all that work for 100's Day, and we counted by tens to 100? That's what we're going to do here. So first, you're going to trace it. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now, this is a great page when we get back to school and we work in chapter 8. There's a lot of things like this. Okay, but if you want to do it right now, it looks like fun. You can either write them or you're going to cut and paste. What I think I'll do is cut and paste, but I don't want to take any more time, so I will do this later. And I'm going to cut and paste, and I'm going to put them in order just like this. So I'll put the 10 here, and then the 20 here, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Look at the pattern. 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0. So remember what I said, you guys. You, out of all those pages I just went over, you pick the 2 that you want to do. Okay? Put them on your Seesaw page so I can see that you did your work today. Bye-bye.